I've never been more serious about anything in my life. That's why I came straight here, Chapper. You've never given me a bum steer. Now, come on. Where can a guy like me go and win a medal?
I don't think such a game exists, Ralph.
Oh, come on. You know people. There's gotta be...
Tapper, need a root beer.
Coming. Hold that thought. Okay, as you were saying.
I was saying, I can't spend another 30 years living alone in the garbage. I'm not going back without a medal.
Well, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe somebody left the medal here. You're welcome to dig through the lost and found.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
Oh, shoot.
Come on, get out of here. Mushroom? No. What is this? No. Oh, come on, Zangief. Gross. Oh. What am I doing? Hey, excuse you.
Our mission to destroy all side bugs. We are humanity's last hope. Our mission to destroy all
Okay there,
side
Space
bugs.
Cadet?
We've only been plugged in a week! And every day it's climb the building and fight bugs! Climb the building, fight more bugs!
Yeah, right. Look, easy on the overalls, Spaceman. It's tough all over, all right?
And all for what? A lousy medal?
Medal? You win a medal?
Yeah! Medal of Heroes!
Ooh. Is it shiny?
Pretty shiny.
Ooh. And it says hero on it?
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
And you said you win it by climbing a building?
And fighting bugs!
Right, Bugs. Listen, is there any chance I could go with you to your game and, maybe get one of those medals?
Negatory.
What does that mean, maybe?
No! Look, only the bravest and the best serve in our corps. Bug!
Oh. Huh.
We are humanity's last
Attention. The arcade will open in 5 minutes. Please report to your game.
I can't feel my legs. What is all this stuff? Smells like Ralph in here. Okay. All right. What was it called? Hero something. Hero duty. Hero's duty. Oh, there it is. Sorry, Cubert.
It's me, Ralph. Shh.
The wall.